Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tex, and you are now watching the unboxing of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. In the box, you will find the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5, some literature that you will not read, rubber case, SIM ejector tool, micro USB cable, and the charger. It is weird that Xiaomi did not include the UK charger for the Malaysian unit, and the included charger only outputs at 5V 2A even though Redmi Note 5 supports quick charge. Let us peel the sticker off. At the front, you will find the 5.99-inch 18:9 1080p LCD display, and at the top of the display, you will find the front-facing camera and the selfie flash. At the back, you will find the dual camera, flash, and the fingerprint sensor. At the bottom, you will find the single speaker, micro USB port, microphone, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. At the right, you will find the volume button and the power button. At the top, you will find the IR blaster, and at the left, you will find the SIM and micro SD card slot. Which form factor that you prefer? 18:9 display or frameless display with a notch on top? That is all for this unboxing video. Remember to subscribe and follow us on social media for the review of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.